Hello from Finland. We at the Camera Rescue Project aim to rescue 100,000 cameras by the end of 2020. We believe that film photography is a skill and a culture, a heritage that needs to be taken to the next generations. It deserves a chance. And we want to focus on the side of the cameras. We want to keep cameras alive for the next generation because the abundance of film cameras that we know of today will never be able to be remanufactured in the future. So it's very important that there are cameras for the next generations. What is a camera rescue then? Well, we find cameras that have been neglected in some form. They have been unused for several years or even decades. They might be under need of repair. They might need to be inspected properly. And then we do the work so that it can be used again by a new person and loved properly and taking it to use. We don't really aim to take cameras into collections. We want to find them, rehaul them, and then get them into use. A big part of the Camera Rescue project is making noise about the importance of preserving cameras. We do that in different social medias, Instagram being the most active one, and then YouTube the most modern one, or the one that will be focusing most in the coming years. In a normal year, we would be touring all around Europe with our Cambulance, an old ambulance that has been turned into a camera repair center, finding these cameras, but this is not a normal year. So now we've been focusing in our main center in Tampere, Finland, where we have some older camera makers that have been in the trade for decades, teaching younger camera technicians on how to do repairs, how to check cameras properly, how to use the authentic era machinery, and how to do repairs in the way they were meant to be done by the companies that actually created the cameras. We have a camera rescue center where all of this is coordinated from. The Camera Rescue Center processes a lot of cameras in every single day. Now we are at 86,000 cameras, and we have about 4 or 5 months to still do our goal of 100,000 cameras. And that brings me to the point of what can you do? Well, essentially, now that we cannot tour Europe, we cannot be there with you, we are buying cameras via the post and freight. We get Euro pallets almost weekly from somewhere in Europe with a bigger collection or a bigger or a shop closing or whatever. We process these pallets, we check the cameras, we fix them if needed, we do everything that is in the camera rescue process, and we are looking for more stuff so that we could make our goal. And if you are in the photography show and you're watching this video because of it, we have a special URL where you can go and visit and tell us about the cameras you might have or learn more about us. And if you're watching this later, thank you for helping the Camera Rescue project forward, and camerarescue.org should have the latest information on what we are doing. Thank you.